Hello my friends, today I want to show you how I make money with my hack for game Dragon's Gold for 1xbet. And look at this guys, I show you my link, my official Telegram channel, Cheat 1xbet group and me Cheat 1xbet. Okay, let's start. I show you actual date and actual time. Now I'm go to Google Chrome, search 1xbet 1x games and look at this guys. First link, this is official website 1xbet.com. Look, I show you this is real world 1xbet. And now I'm go to game Dragon's Gold and I show you how I win money with my hack. Look guys, actual link, refresh page. Look guys, I show you. This is my account on 1xbet, my actual balance. Fresh date and fresh time. Okay. Now I show you that my hack install. Look at this guys. Dragon's Gold hack for 1xbet install. Okay. Now I'm place a bet and I show you how work my hack. And look at this guys, this is my official Telegram channel. If you want my hack, write me in my Telegram channel guys. Write me. Okay, look at this guys, you can see and I see if I press this or this I win, I'm go step by step, look. But if I press this I'm lose, it's dangerous. Yes, you can see guys, I'm not win. Refresh my balance. Okay, and now I'm place a bet and I show you how I win money with my hack for game Dragon's Gold. Look guys, look. Look, you can see guys, I go, I play. Now I'm take winnings. Yes, you can see my friends, I win money. Look my balance. Look at this guys, refresh my balance. I win this money real easy and real fast with my working hack. I show you, I play and I win. I show you guys, my hack is work perfect. And if you want my hack, write me in my Telegram channel. Okay, now I'm withdraw funds. Look, I show you actual date and actual time, you can see. Yes, you can see my friends, I win this money with my working hack and I show you my hack is work perfect. Now I'm withdraw my money on my Visa card. I wait new status. I'm wait new status and you can do it like me. If you want my hack, write me in my Telegram channel. Look at this guys, status approved. I'm withdrawed my money, refresh my balance. Bye bye.